Today we are going to see the octal number system. So in octal number system, the radix of the octal number system is are equal to 8. So here oct indicates that 8. So that is why the radix of the number system is 8. So as we discussed in the previous lectures, decimal number system radix is 10, so that 7 different digits are there. Binary number system radix is 2, so that 2 numbers, unique numbers are there. In octal number system also we have 8 different digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unique digits, and this is the primary sequence of the octal number system. Okay, this is the primary sequence of the octal number system. So including 0 we are counting, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only is there. There is no 8 in the octal number system. Only here, up to here only the numbers available in the octal number system. You don't have any 8, 9, 10 like that. Okay. Now, as we have derived the next number after 7, what will be the next number? As we derived in the binary and decimal number system, here also we will derive. Okay. So here, for sake of simplicity, I have written what is the equivalent decimal number for that octal number system. Okay, like in binary, how we have done. So here this is the octal number, this is the decimal number, right? So for the first time, like primary sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. So the equivalent decimal is same, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the octal number system, okay, after 7, actually we don't know what will be the next number. We don't know. Let us assume. Okay, in decimal number system, after 7, what the number will comes? Actually, deci means 10. So only 7. After that 8, 9 also possibility is there. So total numbers are up to 9 is 10. After 10, after 9, we don't know what the number will comes. That we assumed. So in that case, how we have derived the sequence we are repeating, and how many times we are repeating, that number we will put in front of the sequence, that we have seen already. So in the octal number system also we will follow the same procedure. So 0 to 7. So the next number, if you want to find it out, what you will do, you will write the sequence again. Okay, and you are repeating the primary sequence for the first time. So you need to keep 1 in front of the digit in that particular sequence. So after 7 in the octal number system, you will get 10, not 8. Okay, after 7 in the octal number system, you will get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that. What is the equivalent of the decimal number? The decimal number system will go on, right? 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in decimal number 8 means in octal number it is a 10. In decimal number 9 means in octal number it is a 11. Okay, the same how we have derived in the decimal number system and binary number system, the same procedure we are following here. For sake of clarity, we will see one more thing. After 17, you want next number. What is the next number? So what you will do, you repeat the primary sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You repeat it, and how many times you have repeated already? First time you have repeated. Now second time you are repeating. So you keep second in front of the digit of that particular sequence. So you will get 20, 21, 22 like that. After 17 in the octal number, you will get 20. Okay, 20. What is the equivalence of decimal number? The decimal number system is going on, right? So here we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 like that. So in decimal number, this is the 19 means the equivalence of octal number is this is like that. Okay, so after this, what is the next number? 30, right? So the sequence is repeating, and you will get a 3 here, and the equivalent number is after 23, you will get a equivalent number is 24. Okay, so this sequence will be going on like this. Suppose in the octal number system, I have repeated the sequence for 7 times. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this sequence I am telling you, we have repeated already 7 times. That means 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay, what is the equivalent of decimal number here? Okay, how we can find it out easily? Because we cannot say easily. If the octal number is 10 means what is the decimal number? 8, right? So how that 8 comes? Because in the primary sequence 7 numbers are repeated, 8 numbers are there in the octal series, and in the second series, that means second time when you are first time when you are repeating, here you are getting the 8, and second time when you are repeating you got the 16. How you got the 16? Because 8 numbers are here. So after 8 you will get here 8 plus 8, this 8. So after this 8 numbers are gone, then you will get the 16 here, right? So for 20 it is a 16. Okay, so the next number 30. So the next sequence, how you will get? Again you add 8 here. That means after 16 you need to add 8 more, then you will get 24. Okay, likewise, suppose you are repeating the sequence. This is first time when you are repeating, this is 8 you got. Second time you are repeating, 16 you got. Third time you are repeating, 24 you got, right? So it is multiplication of 8. Fourth time you are repeating, what number you will get? 32 you will get. 32 equivalents you will get. Now here, seventh time I am repeating. So what is the decimal number you will get? So 56 you will get. Okay, 7 into 8, 56. So you can practice. Okay, you can write by yourself. You can come to know this. So equivalence is like this. Okay, like this. Now I want to know what is the next number after 77 in the octal number system. Okay, so what we will do in the same procedure. So I'm just writing, I'm overwriting here. So after 77, if you want, what you have to do? You need to write the sequence one more time. This time already 7 times you have repeated, right? This time you are repeating for the 8th time. 8th means in the decimal 8th. But in octal 8 means what? In octal 8 means it is equivalence of 10. So you cannot write 8 here because there is no 8 number in the octal number system. Okay, instead of 8, so the equivalent octal number is 10. So you need to write here 10, right? So you need to write 10 in front of all the sequence. Okay, so likewise in octal number system, so after 63, okay, this is equivalent to 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Okay, so you are repeating the octal number system 8th time. That means 8 into 8, 64 you will get. Okay, so for every time you are repeating the sequence, so the 8 numbers will be added to the first number. That is why you can come to know easily. So 10 means 8, 20 means 16, 30 means 24. For example, 40 in the octal means 4 into 8, 30, 32. So you will get 32 here, like that. Here 8th time I am repeating, so 8 into 8, 64 I got here, right? So let us prove this. How? So in generalized form, how you can write this octal number? For example, I will take this number 70. Okay, this 70 is in the octal number system. Okay, that radix I am indicating here. So how you can write in a generalized form? 0 into the coefficient 0 into the radix 8, and position of this bit is 0, plus this 7 into radix 8, the position is 1, 7 position is 1, 0 position is 0, right? We know the general formula, right? For sake of simplicity, I will write one more time: A0, AJ1, like this. You have any number in the particular radix system. Particular radix system is R. How you will write? A0 into R power, the position is of this number is 0, and AJ1 into or power, the position is J1, right? Like that. So this is equivalent to 56 and this is 8. So what you will get here? Power 0. Sorry, this is 0, right? 56, correct. We will take one more example, 75. So 75 in octal, okay. So what you will get? 5 into 8 power 0 plus 7 into 8 power 1. So what is that? This is 56 in decimal, right? So 56 plus 8 power 0 is 1 plus 5. So what you will get here? 61. So this is the number, right? And we will take this example. For example, you take any number. Here 104 I am taking 104 in octal. So how you can write here? 4 into 8 power 0 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 1 into 8 power 2. What you will get? 64 plus 8 power 0 is 1, it is 4. This is, you will get 68. See here 68. So this is 10. Okay. Likewise, you can convert octal number to decimal number. So here what we have done is, this is nothing but octal to decimal conversion. Okay.